Okay, so all the hype around DeepSeek is crazy right now. I'm going to show you in this video how to run the R1 model locally. All right, so I'm on Mac here, but if you're on Windows, it's going to be the same exact install. So first, you're going to look up Olama. Go ahead to their website and install this. You can download it for whatever you're using. Or if you're on Mac, you can run brew install Olama. The next thing you'll install is chatboxai.app. So you'll come to this website. This is for running local chat boxes. So go ahead and install it for whatever OS you're using, and then we can run the model and connect to it through this. Okay, so once you get your chat box set up, it should look like this. We'll leave this for now, and we're going to go over to Olama. Okay, so I went ahead and enabled Olama. You'll see up here that it's running right now. Next, you're going to run Olama run DeepSeek R1 32B. And so this is going to pull in the manifest of the model file. So it'll take a few minutes because it's a large file. So you'll see it just finished running. It actually failed the first time because it didn't have enough space. It's 19 gigabytes. So it pulls in that model and then starts running it once it's done pulling. So as soon as it's done pulling, you'll see it's actively running now. So the next thing I'll do is come over to our Chatbox app. And then if you go down to settings here, you can actually pick your provider. So over here, I'm going to pick Olama API, and it'll automatically default to your local host. And then down here, you'll be able to pick your model now. So just select that. You can change these things if you'd like. I'd leave them default for now. Go ahead and save that. And then let's go, what is DeepSeek? Okay, so we are now running DeepSeek R1 8B, you'll see here. My computer was just crashing out running that with OBS. For reference, I'm running a MacBook M2 with 16 gigs of RAM. Okay, now we're getting a response. Took a second there to get everything running. I was having trouble with OBS still. I was still having trouble. You can see here my activity monitor. My OBS was taking up 200% of my CPU, so don't do both of these at once. But you'll see what's interesting about DeepSeek here is that it tells us how the model is thinking as it's going. So I asked, tell me the difference between DeepSeek and OpenAI, and it's now going through. First, maybe I should start by introducing both companies in a clear way. Next, focus on important areas. I should touch on their applications. OpenAI is used in coding and creative writing, where DeepSeek might be more specialized in math problems. So this is what you get with DeepSeek, where you can really see exactly why the model was thinking that way, which is really interesting because it's the first time we've really had that opportunity. And what DeepSeek is doing here is so interesting because they're open sourcing all of this, and now we can run it on our laptops just like this, which means that now there's no API that we're connecting to that's storing our data. This data is only on my laptop running against that model that I downloaded. Okay, so we see here, it just finished thinking and now it's actually writing. So we can see, again, it's very slow because I'm trying to record this with OBS while it's running. It's using the section where it was thinking, and it's now drafting out what the response should be based off those thoughts. It is incredible how fast this stuff is moving. If you guys want to stay up to date with this, be sure to subscribe.